Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to upgrade GLPI to version 11, the latest release packed with powerful new features, a modern interface, and improved performance. First, before starting the upgrade process, let's check the current version of GLPI that our system is running. As you can see, I'm currently running GLPI version 10. Our goal today is to upgrade from GLPI 10 to the latest version 11. Alright, now let's open the terminal window on your server. If you're working remotely, you can also connect via SSH to perform the upgrade commands. Next, let's navigate to your GLPI installation directory on the server. This is my installation directory. As mentioned earlier, the path may vary depending on how you installed it. Next, let's check the database configuration details. As you can see, this is my current database configuration. Here, we need to identify the exact database name. Now that we've identified the database name, before upgrading, let's create a full backup of the database to keep everything safe. This backup will allow us to restore the system easily if anything goes wrong during the upgrade. Once the backup process is complete, let's verify that the backup file has been successfully created. Next, let's create a full backup of your current GLPI installation directory, so that if anything goes wrong during the upgrade, you can restore your source files, plugins, and configuration easily. Great! Now that the backup is complete, let's download the latest version of GLPI from the official GitHub repository. At this time, the latest version of GLPI is version 11. This is a major release that brings many new features, an improved interface, and significant performance enhancements compared to previous versions. Next, let's download the latest version of GLPI directly from GitHub. Once the package has been downloaded, let's extract the GLPI 11 archive to prepare for the upgrade. After extracting, you'll see a new folder containing the GLPI 11 source code. To keep your system clean, you can also remove the downloaded archive file, since we no longer need it. Next, we'll copy the essential folders from the old GLPI installation to the new one, including config, files, and plugins. These folders contain your configuration settings, uploaded files, and installed plugins, so skipping this step would cause the new GLPI to lose your previous data. Next, we'll set the correct ownership and file permissions for the new GLPI directory. This step is essential. If the permissions are incorrect, the web server may not be able to read or write the necessary files, which can cause errors when running GLPI. Alright, everything is ready now. Let's move into the new GLPI directory and start the upgrade process. Here, we will run the upgrade command to start updating GLPI to version 11. After running the command, you'll see detailed information about your database, including the current version and the target version that GLPI will upgrade to. If everything looks good, type Y and press Enter to confirm and proceed with the upgrade. Next, if you prefer not to share any data, simply type N and press Enter to continue. Once the upgrade process is complete, you can verify the GLPI version right here. Alright, as you can see, we've successfully upgraded GLPI to version 11. Now, let's check the GLPI web interface to make sure the system is running properly after the upgrade. Alright, that's it. We've successfully upgraded GLPI to version 11. I hope this video helped you upgrade GLPI with ease. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.